How to make your iPhone or iPad's hotspots speed faster. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make your iPad or iPhone's hotspots speed faster. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is remove your background apps. To do that, simply swipe up from your home screen and remove everything from your background. After you do that, you will need to head over to your settings. And under your settings, what you'll need to do is scroll down under General, head over down below till you find Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on it and tap on Reset. Now reset your network settings and restart your iPhone. Now this is a one-time thing, so just do that, and after you've done that, head over to your cellular data. Make sure that you've turned this on, and under here where you have personal hotspot, head over there. So right here you will see maximize compatibility. Make sure that you turn this off. After you turn this off, what it will do is it will reduce your people who can join to your network. It will reduce that number, and ultimately whomever has joined, that is you or some other people, will have more access to the data. So yeah, that's the other thing that you can do. And yeah, that is all for the video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.